I took your cigarette, and I don't even smoke. You look so offended, I nearly had a stroke. You checked all your pockets like I'd stolen your car, mate. It was a cigarette, not the crown jewels of the czar. You said, do you always do this? I said, only on weekdays. You look like somebody had set fire to your screenplay. Everybody wants to be mysterious. You just want witness